A good friend of mine chose to serve a mission for the Church of Jesus Christ of Latter-day Saints. That's right, she was a Mormon missionary. I was asked to make this cake for her before she left on her mission. The missionaries are asked to wear their Sunday best as they go spread their beliefs. So with a little inspiration photo, I was going to make a ruffly blouse with some buttons down the center. I'm going to start with blue fondant, cut it into a triangle, and then it will be like there's a white shirt on top of it. As you can see, I'm cutting out these fondant strips to make some pretty ruffles. I'm going to shape them like a V down the blue bodice. With a little water, I make With a little water, I'm going to stick that blue fondant on there. And then this is where the button shirt comes down, and then I'll glue those ruffles on. With my X-Acto knife, I'm going to trim it and tuck those little ends over so they look more professional. I decided to add a second little layer of ruffles right there. A little strip to tidy up those ends. Tuck that under there to make it look nice. These are going to be the buttons. So I cut out a few little circles and use my fondant tool to make little buttonholes. And glue it on with some water. I'll put a little gray necklace up there. A little blue ribbon around the base, just to cover up the line between the cake and the baseboard. And tuck them right behind that little ruffle. Now I'm going to paint these gray beads into a beautiful silver, like a silver necklace. I think it turned out to be quite cute. What do you think? Thanks for watching. Bye. So I lost the picture of the finished product, but this is what it was supposed to look like.